Hey everybody, so I have made a UniFi network course. Let me tell you what's in it and who we designed it for. It's called the UniFi Network Masterclass. Crosstalk's network guru David Barger and I have designed a complete hands-on walkthrough that contains everything that you need to know to design, deploy, and master UniFi network. All right, here's what we cover. We start with network fundamentals, so the OSI model, LAN versus WAN, the basic foundational stuff that's great to review before you touch any equipment. And then we get into deployment planning, right? What do you need to know to actually scope out a job and design a UniFi network for your customers? From there, we go through equipment selection, and that's going to cover which gateways, switches, and access points you're going to need for various types of deployments. From there, we get hands-on. We cover device adoption, network setup, switch configuration, access point deployment, as well as Wi-Fi settings. And then we wrap up with the stuff that trips people up the most: firewall rules, VLANs, and VPNs. Throughout the course, we build up a complete UniFi network stack and teach you what you actually need to know based on our own real-world experience deploying solutions for our customers. This course is designed for MSPs and IT professionals who are deploying UniFi for clients as well as their own organizations. Now, our goal here was to create a course that gives you a complete understanding of UniFi rather than, just copying settings from a random YouTube video. The first 3 modules of the UniFi Network Masterclass are completely free. That's about 40 minutes worth of content that you can dive into right now with no strings attached. And if you decide to do the full course, it's $199 if you use coupon code Crosstalk. Now that is a one-time purchase and you get lifetime access to the content. We even give you a certificate of completion at the end. So if the UniFi Network Masterclass sounds like a course that you're interested in, check out the link in the description below for more information.